It was a normal day.
Kids at home!
For a normal family.
Okay, kids, sit down for dinner.
In the sleepy state of Alaska.
May I come too? Oh, okay, thanks. This was still rich.
Oh.
Man, it was really coming down out there. I barely made it home from work.
Little did they know, a menace lay in wait.
I bought a new microwave today.
Really?
Yeah, the Mucho Nuco 3000. It's perfect for popcorn!
Wow.
Just make sure you remember to close the door.
Door. What was once safe and convenient
Hey, Kevin, wanna play some b-ball?
Okay, sure.
is now a threat to everything you hold dear.
Catch!
Let's go find Mom.
I think he got hit by a snowplow.
Go call 911.
Okay, I'll go call 911. Shoot, the reception's out. That microwave does have something really suspicious in it. I'll go find Kevin. Kevin, where are you? Help!
Grayson, what's wrong?
We gotta get out of here. We're just gonna die soon. Let's get out of here. I wish my family was still alive.
Your popcorn is ready.